нещо. It works. Yeah. Английски, български? Okay, anyway, I'm going to use English just so I don't ignore the people that don't speak Bulgarian or any other Slavonic stuff here. So I'm going to talk about Numix. What is Numix? Well, Numix is not a bird, it's neither a plane, and it's not the Lampevsky either. Numix is a modern-day looking visual brand. And as a modern-day looking visual brand, it does have the guts that dares to be different from the others. For example, the first thing we did is we nuked the blue. So instead of using blue like in KDE or Elementary or OS X or Windows or etc., we actually used red. Why we used red? Well, because we use the fuck you principle, which means we don't do as we're told. And we bit the bullet even a bit more, which means that we made our GTK teams quite flat. Basically, out there are not that much flat GTK teams. Most of them do use quite a large amount of roundness and a bit too much shadow, so we nuked that and we used 2 pixel roundness and very subtle shadows. And to add up to the pile, we made our icon teams totally irrational. We use white symbolics, utterly colorful backgrounds, and we'll soon get to start doing dApps where really weirdly shaped, which basically means we start doing in circles or in rhombus or in triangles or in any other shape that's not rectangle. And last but not least, we made the majority of our wallpapers Google Now style because, well, there are not much of those anyway. And I almost forgot to mention, I really did, that we do sell our content, and not of our content is GPL, because, well, community likes GPL, and we like a piece of the community anyways. So the aftermath after we did all that crazy stuff is the most popular third-party branding. We get KDE Oxygen branding, we get Elementary, we get Ubuntu with Ambience and Radiance, and we get GNOME with Advaita, and after all those, we obviously can't find those. They're big corporations with Canonical and GNOME Foundation and Red Hat, etc. We can't beat those, but apart from those, we are the most popular branding out there. We also made about 600 USD for 3 months, and we have huge amount of positive feedback, which is weird because we totally ignored anything that community said, and we do have plans for extending to Android, so if anyone here can write Android apps, we need it for icon teams, just shoot me an email, or better yet, contact me here. And if you want to know more, visit our site at numixproject.org. And you can clap now.